Hello, and welcome to the Encompass Medical Management instructional series on using the EMM telehealth system. This video will cover scheduling a web-based appointment with a patient using the EMM telehealth services. By the end of this video, you should understand the steps necessary to log in as a telehealth provider and schedule an appointment for a patient who has an existing referral. As a provider on the EMM telehealth system, you will be given a URL, login, and credentials that will be for your specific use. For the purposes of this video, we will be using the EMM telehealth demo site. Let's begin by logging into the provider portal with the credentials supplied to you by your EAP administrator. We are now looking at the provider interface. In the Schedule window, we can see a list of patients that have been referred to us as a provider in the EMM telehealth system. If you do not see the patient that you are trying to schedule a session with, then that patient does not have an existing referral and needs to be added to the system by your EAP administrator before an appointment can be scheduled. For the purposes of this video, let's say that we are scheduling a session for the patient Jane Doe, who already has an existing referral in the telehealth system. Expand the referral row under the patient's name by clicking on the arrow in the white box. This opens the appointment window. Now click on the Schedule Appointment box. A pop-up appears that will allow us to specify appointment type, the applicable CPT code for that appointment, the session start time, and the session end time. For this video, we will choose Online as the appointment type, 92507 as the proper CPT code, as this is a speech therapy session, March 31st at 10 a.m. as the session start time. The system will now set an 11 a.m. end time on March 31st by default. You can change this end time by clicking on the clock icon and changing the hour that the session is scheduled to end. Now click on the Update button to enter the appointment into the system. The appointment is now scheduled, and the appointment window now displays the session information. Email reminders and calendar invites for both the patient and you as the provider have also now been automatically generated and sent by the telehealth system. These emails contain pertinent information about the scheduled appointment, including date, time, and a link to the session login. You may edit a scheduled session's information by clicking on the Edit button, or you may cancel a session by clicking on the Delete button. New emails will be generated and sent by the system as this information changes. You can now create other new appointments, review billing for concluded sessions, review existing or add new HIPAA documents, or sign out of the telehealth system. This concludes this instructional video. Thank you for using the EMM instructional video series for the Encompass telehealth system. Further instructional videos can be found on the EMM YouTube channel.